Welcome friends. Today again we are discussing the formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions. Before starting with that, again let me remind that the order of a PDE, if the number of arbitrary functions is less than the number of independent variables, then we are getting the first order PDE. And if the arbitrary functions is equal or more than the number of independent variables, then the PDE will be of second order or higher order will be generated. Let me form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary function, single function f is there. Therefore, we are going to get the PDE of the first order here. Okay, let me differentiate this with respect to x and y. Let me call this as equation number 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x as well as with respect to y, I have to differentiate. Now after differentiate partially with respect to x, we'll get dou z by dou x is equal to y square. Y square differentiation with respect to x will become 0 plus 2 into f of function of x is there. Therefore, it will become f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Into chain rule I have to apply. Differential of 1 by x will become minus 1 by x square plus partial differential of log y will become 0. Like that, let me differentiate partially with respect to y now. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. Then I am going to get it as dou z by dou y equal to, I will call it as q notation, simple notation. Therefore, y square differential with respect to y will become 2y plus 2 times f into, again it is a partial function of y, therefore it will become f dash of 1 by x plus log y into differentiation of 1 plus x with respect to y will become 0, log y will become 1 by y. From these two equations I have to eliminate now f dash, its derivative. Therefore I will call it as again p. There I will shift this minus 1 by x square to the other side. This will become minus x square p equal to minus x square p is equal to 2 times f dash of 1 by x plus log of y. This 2 times f dash of 1 by x log y you can substitute here, or else what you can do, or that is the simplest, I hope so. I can substitute this or divide this, also solve for f dash of x and divide 1 by 1, previously what we have done. Therefore I can write it as q equal to LCM I will take as y. This will become 2y square plus 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Then shifting this y and this one on the other side, y square y into q minus 2y square is equal to 2 times f dash of 1 by x plus log y. From these two equations I have to eliminate f dash. What I can do, simple way is, both right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side also must be equal, which implies minus x square p is equal to y into q minus 2y square, or x square p plus yq is equal to 2y square is my required PDE of first order. Friends, let me solve another example here. Form the PDE from x, y, z equal to f of x plus y plus z. Here throughout this one we are considering z as a function of x and y, therefore product of x, y, z. Let me differentiate this one partially with respect to x. Differentiating one partially with respect to x, I am getting here as z is a function. Previously what was example what you are taking, z is equal to, therefore directly dou z by dou x we are writing, but in this particular example x, y, z is there. You have to apply product rule by keeping y constant. Okay, then as differentiation y is constant here into x into z, x into differentiation of z partially with respect to x will become dou z by dou x plus z into differentiation of x will become 1. This is your partial differentiation of x, y, z with respect to x, which is equal to right hand side f dash of x plus y plus z into bracket differentiation of x plus y plus z will become 1. Partial difference of x is 1. Addition is there, separate terms have to differentiate. X plus 0 plus dou z by dou x. Okay, or you can simplify this one, or you can keep as it is. Okay, similarly differentiating 1 partially with respect to y now. Okay, while differentiating partially with respect to y, x is constant, therefore x into bracket y into z partial, y into dou z by dou y plus z into 1 equal to differentiation of this one again will become f dash of x plus y plus z into differentiation of x plus y plus z will become 0 plus 1 plus dou z by dou y. This one I have to, from these two I have to eliminate f dash. Therefore dividing, let me call it as 2, question number 3, dividing 2 by 3, 2 divided by 3, and also I will substitute dou z by dou x equal to p also. Therefore I can write it as x y p plus yz divided by this one I will write it as x y cube plus xz equal to right hand side while dividing that f dash cancels, will remain with 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q. Okay, this is a required PDE. Or what you can do, you can simplify this also, or you can keep in this formula. Here both f dash is eliminated, this one, this is our required PDE. Thank you.